Welcome to Utilitarian TV. Please, if you are just watching our videos and you have not yet subscribed to our channel, kindly click the subscribe button now and remember to turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified about our latest video in the future. In this video, you are seeing a picture on the screen. We want to remove the background from it so that it will remain the person in the picture. So how do we do it using CorelDraw? I'll be showing us in this video. Please, let's get started. The tool we use in removing the background is pen tool. As you can see, I have selected the pen tool. We'll be using it to trace this picture from its edges, just like the way I'm doing it. When tracing, we have to make sure that the line touches the edges of the body so that we can get the background removed out of the picture. So when we finish tracing, there is another tool to be used again. When traced to the end, we will make sure that the pen tool is close to the starting point, just like you have seen it now. Then we will press Ctrl A to mark all the nodes. Then we will click the convert to curve. After that, we will use the shape tool to shape the trace we did earlier to fit the image to the body, just like the way I'm doing it now. It will give us the correct image we want to crop from the background. We are going to shape it until the end of the trace we made. When we are through with the shaping, there is how we will remove the background from the image. There are two ways in which we can use to remove the background from the traced image. The first way is using the lens effect. The second way is using the intersect button. We can use any way we like, but the fastest and easiest way is to use the intersect button because it have no long process like that of the lens effect. If we want to use the lens effect, we will hold down the Alt plus F3, that's the alternative key, plus the F3. So when pressed, it will show the lens effect dialog, just as you have seen it. Then you will click on color add from the list button and then click frozen. When you clicked on frozen, it will enable the trace picture to be cropped from the background. Then ungroup all and delete the background that we need not. There is three things to be seen after that. There will be the outline from the image, the main picture and the shadow from the picture. So we will delete it and leave the main picture. That's the one we needed. The second way we can use is intersect button. Let me undo this scene by pressing the Ctrl Z so that we can be able to use the intersect button. Here is the traced picture. So if we want to use the intersect button, we will click the traced image and then hold the shift button and click the background of the image. It will appear the intersect bar at the top menu. Then we will click on intersect. It will cut out the image from the background. So we will delete the background and we are left with the image traced earlier. That's all. As you can see, this is the easiest way. Then delete the background. It is useless in some cases. Then we have the picture cropped. So we have come to the end of this video on how to remove the background from picture. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to add a new background to a cropped picture. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, Kindly click the subscribe button now and remember to turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified on our future videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.